Miss this opportunity, and you might regret it for a year. Altius Labs, a chance for you to secure an early bird roll, potentially multiplying your account by 10 or even 100. No capital needed, just a few clicks. Welcome back to Doge's Airdrops channel. Has anyone here ever missed the boat on high-potential airdrop projects that experienced explosive growth? Don't worry, today I'll reveal an exciting opportunity. Altius Labs. By participating in their Discord channel, you can secure an early bird roll from the project. Altius Labs is a highly promising project that aims to shape the future of blockchain technology through the introduction of a modular execution layer, capable of integrating with any other blockchain to tackle pressing issues of speed and performance, yielding exceptional efficiency. Additionally, the project successfully raised $11 million during its pre-seed funding round from notable investment firms in the market, including Pantera Capital, Amber Group, Digital Currency Group, and many others. This figure underscores investor confidence in Altius Labs' potential. Let's get started. Click on the Discord link from the project, which I'll provide in the video description below. First, you'll join the Altius Labs Discord server. Click on the Accept Invite button. Next, proceed to the number verification channel. Read the welcome message and follow the instructions to verify your account. Click on the Complete button. Tick the box stating, "I have read and agreed to the rules." Click on Submit. Then click on Verify. Click Continue. Select Continue again. You will need to complete a CAPTCHA. Once verified, you will need to interact within the project's server. You can explore other channels of the server. To confirm whether you've received the early bird roll, click on your name after sending a message, and you should see your roll. That wraps up my guide on how to secure the early bird roll from this project. If you found this video valuable, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel, as it motivates me to produce more great content. See you all in the next video from Doge's Airdrop. Goodbye, and see you soon.